I am from rocks, that which holds my culture because it is I am. The small pebbles on a konane board, the foundation of the kuapa, the sibling boulders resting in ha'ena, the koa that forms all life. Ua lava mā kou I ka pohaku I ka ai ka maha o ka aina. I come from strength, from solidity, from consciousness. Awareness is born. E ola nā pohaku no laila e ola mau.
I'm from trees, that which hold my culture, because it is I am. The ulu of ku, the ended famine, the chunk carved into ki'i and va'a, the fish charming branch makale, the ever-deepening roots clinging to soil. The ulu no kalala Kekoa comes from growth, from resiliency, from consciousness. Awareness is born. Ola na mula au no laila e ola mau.
I am from flowers that which hold my culture, because it is I am. Messages carried by the blooms of Po'oa Kalani, the separated naupaka lovers, the lehua blossoms strung in a lei po'o, the ko'olau ula tucked behind my ear. Mohala I ka vai I ka maka o ka pua. I come from beauty, from virility, from consciousness. Awareness is born. E ola nā pua no laila e ola mau.
I am from fresh water, that which holds my culture, because it is I am. I am the droplet held in the piko of a kalu leaf, the spring thrusted from the earth by Kane's staff, the rediverted streams of Maui that flow freely, the shrouding mists embracing lovers in Waimea. Ai laila ka vaia Kane. He vai e mana, I come from wealth, from fluidity, from consciousness. Awareness is born. E ola nā vai no laila e ola mau.
We are from Hawaii.
We are from Hawaii.
We are from Hawaii.
The stars are maps.
The birds are songs.
The winds and rains are books. Because it is, we are.
Because it is, we are.
Because it is, we are.
Connected by Aina, cemented by Aloha, sustained by Pono.
We are Hawaii.
Ke ho'ohiki nei au I ko'u Pūpū A ma hope o ko'u lāhui. Nā ka naka mauli o keia aina nei e ho'omana'o mau anau.
I recognize myself in the water.
I give myself in the flowers.
I value myself in the trees.
I find myself in the rocks.